All right, so you have two different airflows.
Okay.
So there's a lower airflow, not as much air coming out, and then higher.
Okay.
You have three temperatures. So there's a low temperature, a medium temperature, high.
Okay.
And then when you want to hit your full switch, it'll stay on. I'm not showing you. Take it off.
Perfect.
Good.
Hey. I love this because it gives me control and ease of being able to lift it up over my head. The bristles are so smooth, then it glides through my hair. I go through it until it's mostly dry, and then I go all the way down, keeping the oval straight up. And then I hit that full shot. Perfect. So like just a few seconds on hot and then a few seconds on cool. Yep. Just settle. That's it. And then last section. Last line. It's so fast. Yeah, I was gonna say that didn't take you long at all. Nope. It looks so shiny. That's what I love about it.
And now you have it on medium airflow, the lower airflow.
Yep.
And
the
you have it
highest
over
heat.
control so it's not blowing the rest of your hair.
Right.
Okay. And then I see.
And I can get right to my edges and smooth it from there. And then over direct it forward a little bit.
Yeah, so that
Great bump. And then hold it. And then full switch. Ooh, look at that. I love it. Love it.
oh, I love it. Look at the fluff. Here we have to show. It looks too good. Look at all that body and blowout. And shine.
Mm-hmm. And it's a completely different type of loftiness, I feel like.
And the fact that you've got all this just from blowing out. Like
Right.
from curl. You know what I
Right.
mean? We haven't used any other tool on it.
Nope. Love it. So I'm doing the lower airflow, but still high heat. Got it. More. Gives me good tension. Oh, there's it. I love that it hugs, the curve hugs the shape of my head. I'm not missing any hair. Yeah, it really allows you to go right for the scalp. Yeah. Like you could put it right on that scalp and know you're going to get everything. Oh, nice. Wow. Whoa. And just
Nice.
oh.
That's perfection.
Wow. Wow.
And that's like a whole different.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Grab my first section and put her in. What? You don't have to do anything. Okay. Maybe spin and wall grab. Alright, and then I'll do a pull. Oh! Look at that! Easy. Wow. Low air speed. Right, low air speed, high temperature. Wow! Doing diligent. Just does it. And then this is the tool. Perfect. Oh my goodness. That's right. How would a blow dryer just do that? Super easy. Super easy. It's just, the flow is so specific just to take the hair right in there. It's rich. Wow. That's amazing.
So the smaller the section, the more the curl. You know?
Right.
So
Right.
and you do have some flexibility as far as if you want to limit the curl, like you're doing around your the top, a little less around the bottom. Right. Just that. Crazy. Wow. So we'll switch it to do the other side.
Okay, so I just
Unlock it. Use the you take it off. And then this one pushes the airflow in the opposite direction. And it shows right here on this little arrow that the airflow is going back.
Gotcha.
So you want to go away from the face. So to go away from my face, I go back that way. Okay. Okay, so medium blow, high heat. This does it for you. Does it for you, yeah. That's so French. Face up. Perfect. Stace, you're like a pro. What do you think? I cannot believe how my hair has transformed with this one tool. Yeah, right. It's amazing. I love the volume that I got with the oval. Yeah. But this is just a completely different personality. I love it. My hair has never seen the day. It's like fluffy and curled. Like
yeah,
it's bouncy.
This is a completely different curl than I've ever achieved with any other tool.
Yeah.
And I like them all, especially, I'm in love with my Perfector.
Right.
But this is something different. This is something special. If you need a refresh, new year, new hair.